Hello guys, welcome back to Viral 263 apo patinokupai nyaya dzinenge dzichiitika mumativi mana enyika yedu yeZimbabwe. So guys, I've been seeing you're subscribing, you're commenting, you're liking my videos and you're also sharing. This is just great. I would really appreciate if you help us to reach 5,000 subscribers before the year end. So nyaya ndinayomuzwara nhasi guys ndeyamukoma Levels. We all know that Levels has been on the trending table of almost each and every social platform, and this was after leakages of some sex tapes and nude pictures with his ex-girlfriend Shashu, who is a musician. So his ex-girlfriend Shashu filed a police report claiming that Levels raped her sometime last year, and a lot of people were saying that the claim by Shashu that she was raped is a complete lie and she's just trying to destroy the career of Levels. So it's very sad to announce to you that according to H Metro, Levels has been arrested and he is currently being held at Borodale police station. So this is the update by H Metro. They are saying Q Sport Records producer Tafadzwa Levels Kadzimwe has been arrested. Levels is currently being held at Borodale police station awaiting his court appearance. He is accused of allegedly raping his ex-girlfriend and musician Shashu. So guys, I don't know what you think. Feel free to comment down in the comment section about your views, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates. So until next time guys, it's a goodbye for now.